You have rightly said this is not discussion.
Yeah, it is not
This is
discussion.
0 hour submission. The government has got every right to respond, and these people want to mislead the country. What is it they have done during the regime? We are ready to face all the facts before the people, and these people want to make a political issue.
I have to go
They have
by-
not understood
I have to go
the
by
message of the
procedure.
people, the mandate of the people. The mandate of the people is
I
very
have
clear.
to go by
The
procedure.
mandate of the people is very clear, sir. I have with me the statement made by the Backward Class Commission Chairman, Justice Iswaraya,
No.
Chairman of the Backward Class Commission. The entire country is welcoming wholeheartedly the Prime Minister's decision of having constitutional status for the Mandal, for the Backward Class Commission. The entire backward
Yes, he
class
can
across
also
the
speak.
country, they are all rejoicing with the joy. They are all very happy.
He has a right.
Vote for us. Yeah, this is a political strategy. This is a political strategy, sir, of the people who have been rejected in the elections. They want to misuse the forum of the House and then convey wrong impression to the country. These tricks are not going to play. These tricks are not going to succeed at all. They are not succeeding in Uttar Pradesh. They are not succeeding in other states also. See what happened in Uttar Pradesh, where maximum backward class population is there. See what will happen in Uttaranchal. See what happened in other states also. ये 0 hour में जो इश्यू उठाया वो जवाब सुनने के लिए तैयार नहीं है. That's why, sir, this one-way traffic cannot be allowed to go on. And the chair is so helpless. They dictate. They want to dictate. They cannot dictate. Minority cannot dictate to the country. They should understand this. They have been rejected by the people. They have been rejected by the people. They are trying to find out some excuse or other. They are not ready to hear the truth. They are not ready to hear the truth, sir. The country is the Prime Minister. The backward class is the Prime Minister. The backward class chairman himself has welcomed the decision of the government. And the government is going to constitute all these commissions. Commissions are working. Commissions are functioning. All commissions are functioning. And the process for filling up the vacancies is on. They will be completed at the earliest. Let there be any impression, wrong impression, that the commission are not going to be filled up or wound up. All of them are going to be filled up. But I have the figures with me. What happened to the UPA regime? What happened to the earlier Congress regime? How many months there was gap in Constituent Committee? Till yesterday, there was Backward Class Commission. Till yesterday, there was Scheduled Caste Commission. And we are going to reconstitute the same. And there is secretary, there is commission, everything is functioning. And they are making wrong allegations. They are trying to mislead the people. They should understand this is not the way. Sir, you allowed them to mention it. And they don't want to hear the government version. That means they want to continue their disinformation campaign outside and inside the house. This is not acceptable.
आपके प्रधानमंत्री ने मीरठ के भाषण में कहा कि पाकिस्तान की धरती पर हमने सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक किया, मतलब वो पीओके नहीं रहा, भारत ने अपना अधिकार भूल लिया. इसका प्रश्न का जवाब निशिकांत जी आपको देना होगा.